Okay. I'm going to cut up this turkey. And believe it or not, this turkey was on sale. I'll let you know what I paid for it. $5.18, 81 cents. Yes, it's a deal they had at Food Line. You buy $35 worth of food, you get a turkey for 37 cents per pound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it open. Alright. There we go. Now, most people, well, let me bleed some of this blood off of it. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so I got my trusty knife, some clippers, and now I need to make sure I have my trusty paper towels because I like to clean as I go. Okay. Doesn't matter where you start. I usually just most people just cook the whole turkey whole. The reason why I take it apart is because there's not very many of us, and there's no use in me waiting and cooking a turkey all day long when I can cut it up in pieces, cook it far faster, and then refrigerate what I don't want and cook it later. Some would say that's being lazy. I think otherwise. So, so we're just gonna. Normally, I'll just start with the extremities. We start with the leg. And there's always a bone that you're gonna have to worry about. So that's why I have my nice little cleaver to break that bone. So I can just pull that leg right on apart. Alright. Make sure your knife is sharp. If not, you can always buy this at Amazon. It's a knife sharpener. I've had it for quite a while. I do it when extreme places. You need to break that bone so you can cut this leg off. If not, you'll be fighting all night. There were two drum legs. Next, I go after the wing. Of course, you need the cleaver to break the bone. Might be another time for a new cleaver. The wings are always the hardest to break apart. All right. And the wing. Now it's time to clean up. Because as you cut the bird, you're going to have a lot of fluid come out sometimes. All right. So that's the wing. You're going for the next wing, which is this one here. Oops. Gotta cut the outer skin. And if you're strong enough, sometimes you can just break it with your hand, but that bone is really tough to get into. There we go. Little twisting. It comes right on out. The bone is really tough. Now we got our extremities. From this point on, it's pretty easy. We're just going to pull this out because we're not going to need this. Now to work on the breast. I normally start on the side. And cut right into it. Gizzards. Oh, this one has all kind of stuff left in it. Interesting. Oh my goodness. I've not seen one that actually had the liver and stuff in it. That's the neck. The neck. But this actually have turkey livers inside of it. First time I've ever seen that. That's going to go right in there, along with the neck and the gizzard. Wow, that is interesting. Okay, so now we just got to break the rest of this apart. Okay, get in that rib cage. Now I'm going to start slicing this breast away. And in there, this is what they call breast tenderloins. All that's coming out together. That's one half of the breast. Now I'm going after the second half of it. Look at that. All right. The rest of this is just what I call loose meat. I'm going to shave off as much as I can, and then what you're going to do with the rest of this is you're going to put it in the air fryer, and you're going to cook it until all the meat falls off of it, and then you can use that for turkey, whatever you want to call it. This way, very little of the turkey gets thrown away. Now, what I'm going to do is try to get as much meat off here as I can. This is mostly back. There's a little bit on the breast, but it's not worth fighting for. So the rest of this, and there's a little bit over here. Yeah, see, what I'm going to do with the rest of this is I'm going to put this in an Instant Pot. Let this cook, let all this meat fall off, and then I'll process that meat. So, a quick preview of how to debone your turkey and what to do with the rest of this, because this is most likely going to become some type of turkey stew or some other type of meat that I'm going to plan on doing with it. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but that's it. I could fine tune and try to pull off some of the rest of this meat, but with me, I like to work smarter, not harder. And why am I going to fight to get so little meat off when I can just put it in an Instant Pot and have it all come off? So that is our review of how to debone your turkey. Simple, easy. Probably how long it's been? 13 minutes. And none of this turkey is going to waste. I'm going to package the rest of the stuff up, and so I can have it prepared. I'm going to put this in the Instant Pot tonight, so this will be prepared so I can make either like chicken tuna or something with the rest of this turkey meat. But this turkey will not go to waste. Until next time, family, enjoy Turkey Day.